This demonstration is showing how to combine the models, the DGN models, with the context capture models. So you first of all, you need to use MicroStation VXS4 or latest one, for example, like MicroStation Connect. And then you need to create a new one, new models here. So in this case, you must select the zip files here. It must be ready. You can browse in the system directory here and then select the VDs. So I just simply give the name here, like master, for example, and save it. And then I open it. So after you open the files here, you can start to use reference to put it together. So now there's a full view here, so I just expand the first top view here. I just click here, expand it, and then I go to the files and then go to the reference. And in the reference, you can simply go to tools and then go to attach. And in the attach, first of all, I recommend you may go for attach the DGN model first. In this case, please make sure you have enabled the CAD files here. You will see the DGN models. You can attach i.dgn or DGN. In Connect, you can attach iModels format as well. So I recommend please take a save relative path here so that you will save the relative path and you can move the model anywhere without losing the reference. So I will click add, and in the attachment method I recommend you use the interactive first and then click open. Now you can go to the reference attachment setting here, and please make sure you select the coincident world. If you have the coordination system which is correct, the coincident world will help you to align both models correctly. So I just simply click OK, and you will see the model will display here. Now I just dismiss the reference dialog a little bit and fit view here. So now you can see the models of the DGN models. In this case, of course, you can go to the view attributes here, and then in the upper left corners, and then you have change. You can change the display style as like illustration. Okay, so now you can click rotate view. You can see there's 3D models here. Of course, you can change the lighting if you want. You can see your brightness of the model itself, and also you can change to different view, for example isometric view as well. But in this case, I just go back to the top view first and flip view again. Now I go back to the reference file and then go to the reference. Now I'm going to attach a reality model, so I go to tools attach, and then I will go to the model here. It should be under the production and then scenes, and then please make sure the file type you need to change to we call Accurate 3D Context Capture VMX. Again, you can select the VMX. Remember, click on the save relative path, added, and the attachment method is interactive again. Just open it. Again, if the coordinate system is applied and it is correct, you should take the coincident world and click OK. Now you will see two reference already attached here. So I just dismiss a little bit for reference and fit view. Okay, now you see these two models, it seems is not correct putting together. So we have no choice. We need to manually put it together. Of course, you can you can change using a reference and select. For example, here I will select the models. I will select the models to move. You will see after you select the models, you can have the offset X, Y, and X to do it. So in this case, first of all, I will select it, and now we click move reference function here. Okay, so I just simply click move function, and then I will go back to the reference itself here. So I just simply move it. Of course, you can turn on the AccuDraw here. Okay, the AccuDraw here. Sometimes it will go to the here, but sometimes here. I will lock the set first so that it will not move. It will not move the set value anymore. So I just click here and horizontally move here. So because we don't have too much choice, so we may just simply to put somewhere here, and after finish writing, and then you can flip view. Now you can change to isometric view here. Okay, now you will see the model set value and the elevation is not that correct, so it's simply going back to the models here. So I just you can see the offset X is changed, so maybe I will select the models here. I will change the set values. For example, I will move up the models a little bit, so I just give, for example, 100 meters up. So you will see there's a lot of it, so I may just change to different view, like I will change to front view. Again, in the front view, you can go to the move. You can select anywhere. Maybe, for example, you can select the point here, or you can select anywhere and try to move the files downward as well. Again, I will recommend you using an AccuDraw here. So because while you move it, you may just simply in the keyboard click X to lock the X axis, Y to lock the Y axis, so that you can easily to move it, and you can zoom in a little bit to see it's changing and the elevation here. So if the value is correct, so you just right click and change. Of course, after you have already done the setting here, you can still fine tune easily here. So you can change the value, like I will go to the 16 meters for examples. Okay, so you will see and fit view and update it, and then you will see the models here. So after you finish it, you just click File, Save Setting, and make sure the view and other setting is saved.